Hey, what's up guys? This is a quick video just to tell you guys that we do offer SD memory cards and USB flash memory too. Let me just show you a quick view of the 3-in-1. You can use this in your cell phone. It's a mini SD card and it comes with the adapters, so you can implicate the memory stick into a laptop, or if you want to put the memory into a desktop computer. Okay, yeah, closer look. These are lifetime warranty on these memory cards. Here is an 8 gig card. Comes with a plastic casing, carrying case. This here is just the same card, but it's just a 4 gig. And also, we also carry USB flash memory. Okay, you can get these available now up to 32 gigs. Price is great on these, and plus it's a lifetime warranty on them, so that's a plus. Oh yeah, and let me tell you that we also have memory cards in 64 gigs. So if you need more information, just look in the details in this video, and please press the like button and share this video on Twitter and Facebooks. Thank you very much guys, take care of yourself. Peace.